Today we will discuss photojournalism. Man has always had a desire to learn and expand his knowledge. This he did by traveling to new places. Man drew pictures of the new things he saw or wrote about his travels. Then came printing. Printing could make the written word more popular amongst people. The printed word was combined with hand-drawn pictures to describe what was written. This added to the people's knowledge of things and they could visualize what was being written about. With the coming of photography, news could be conveyed with greater authority and emphasized with photograph. Photograph started supporting the written news in newspaper and magazines, and thus photojournalism was born. Types of photojournalism: sports photojournalism, war photojournalism, glamour photojournalism, sport news photojournalism, travel photojournalism, and wildlife photojournalism. Let's discuss one by one the types of photojournalism. Sports photojournalism. As sports events are a big part of news, there are photojournalists who specialized in photographing sports. This is also because sports photography requires a specialized skill as well as equipment. Nowadays, there are photojournalists who specialize in photographing individual sports. War photojournalism. War photojournalism, where photojournalists have covered wars and sent photos from the center of action. In Pakistan, we see a lot of photographs in online newspapers of conflicts within the country, such as terrorist activity or a riot where the photographer is in a dangerous situation and yet he manages to send us pictures, risking their life. Glamour photojournalism. Film stars and other famous personalities have become a major part of news coverage as most people want to peep into the lives of the rich and famous. There are photojournalists who specialize in this kind of photography, only or also called paparazzi, which is an Italian word. Sport news photojournalism. This means covering events that make day-to-day news, like political events, crime, accidents, etc. This is in fact the most common type of photojournalism and is most demanding for a photojournalist. Travel photojournalism. This type of photojournalism involves the documentation of an area's landscape, people, cultures, customs, and history. Travel photographs are taken by professionals or even amateurs. Photographs taken by amateurs are shared online with friends, relatives through photo sharing website. Wildlife photojournalism. This is regarded as one of the more challenging forms of photojournalism. Advanced photographic equipment as well as a good knowledge of the animal's behavior as well as the training is needed to take wildlife photographs.